Mumbai, the city that never sleeps and city that never stop eating. From crowded street to late night stall, the food has its own story. Assalamu alaikum everyone, I am Sayyid Nikhad and welcome to my Random Food Series 1. In this series, we'll recreate those iconic Mumbai street food, the kind you crave from late night stalls and busy market, but with an easy homemade twist. Trust me, you are going to love it. So in this Random Food Series 1, I am going to make a chicken satay, which is very popular starter available in Mumbai street. So let's get started by marinating our chicken. Take any bowl of your preference. In that bowl, put 750 gram chicken, or you can take 1 kg chicken for ingredient mentioned in this video. Now add 1.5 teaspoon ginger garlic paste to our marinade. Add 1 egg, which will help in binding all your ingredient to the chicken. Add 1 teaspoon soya sauce, dark soya sauce. Add 1 teaspoon red chili sauce. Add 1 teaspoon vinegar, or even you can add lemon to it according to your appetite. Add 1 teaspoon Szechuan chutney, which will give spiciness to your marination. Add 1 teaspoon chili powder for more spiciness. Here I am adding chili powder, which is less spicy. You can add according to your taste bud. Add salt to taste. Here I am adding little salt because I have already added soya sauce, chili sauce, which is already saltier. So add according to your taste. Now add 1 teaspoon black pepper powder. Add 2 tablespoon refined flour, which is also called as maida. Add 2 tablespoon corn flour. Give this a really good mix so every piece is coated in this beautiful marinade. If you have time, let it sit for 30 minutes, but if you can wait an hour, even better. The flavor will be incredible. This is my chicken leg piece and I am just making some light cuts on them so all the masalas goes in nicely and the flavors come out perfect. After 1 hour of marination, the chicken is finally ready to go on the pan. I have taken a kadhai and heated some oil for deep frying. You can either shallow fry it or even air fry it in air fryer. Now I am adding marinated chicken in the oil one after another. Don't overcrowd the pan. Give each piece space to get that perfect char. Cook each side for about 3-4 minutes until the chicken is cooked completely. Now I have removed all the chicken from the pan. You can see how delicious it look and feeling like to have it now only. But wait till our chicken rests. Let's quickly make our satay sauce. So for satay sauce, here I have added is 2 tablespoon Szechuan chutney, 2 tablespoon tomato ketchup, 1 tablespoon red chili sauce, 1 teaspoon black soya sauce, 1 teaspoon vinegar, half teaspoon black pepper powder, 2 tablespoon honey. If you don't have honey, you can add sugar. It will give sweetness to the satay sauce. Now mix it nicely because balance is everything, even in food. So now to give thickness to your sauce, now I am going to prepare corn flour slurry. So I have taken a bowl and added 1 tablespoon corn flour and added double the amount of water to the corn flour and given a good mix it. You feel it too thick, add little more water to it, but don't make it too runny. Now let's make the sauce for chicken satay. So here I have taken a pan for the sauce. Now in the pan add some oil. Don't overheat the oil as it will burn the ingredients. Now add chopped garlic and toss it till the garlic look light golden. Now add the sauce mixture in it and while adding the mix keep the gas flame medium as it will burn the sauces. Now stir it and cook for 2-3 minutes. After it add corn flour slurry to it and don't put all together, put little by little to it and mix. Now your sauce will look like this and now cook it until the bubbles are seen or cook it for more 2-3 minutes. Now add red food color to make it look delicious and flavorful. Now your sauce is ready. Add the fried chicken to the sauce one by one and coat it with sauce. And that's it. Our chicken satay is ready. Now let's plate it up nicely and serve it hot. A perfect street style starter right at home. That was the very first recipe of my Random Mumbai Food Series 1 here on Sayyid Nikhad. And trust me, there's so much more coming up. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe to Sayyid Nikhad. And also follow me on Instagram for behind the scenes and fun updates. See you in the next street food recipe.